Hi, are you worried about exams? Are you in tension? I'm your Prasad. Today I'm going to tell you a strategy, more than a plan, how to prepare your exams, your B.Tech exams, to overcome the fear of the exam and question paper. We have two fears. One is exam fear, second one is question paper fear. So I told you in my previous video and previous how to pass exam also. Strategy is that in middle also I will tell you some tips and tricks to overcome the exam and pass, not only pass, get first class marks, more than that, right? This video is for all stage people, average students, below average students, and clever intelligent students also. This will be very much useful. First, to prepare important question unit wise. See, in 5th unit I have given you, first unit I have already shooted, and in 5th unit I have given you, every faculty, any faculty cannot cover all the subjects. So in exam also, JNTU professor, they will give out of syllabus sometimes subtopics, sometimes scientist name, sometimes twisted questions will be given. Like in 5th unit, I have not covered like architecture of CASE that I have covered recently by seeing previous question papers. Myself also working like you, right? So subscribe my channel for updating new videos, right? And CASE architecture I have not covered. I covered CASE characteristics and RIC characteristics. That is there in the syllabus directly, but indirectly is asking about architecture. Not only that, in 5th unit I'm telling the past things. Flynn. See, it's already given you, right? Flynn's classification of computers. Flynn's a scientist name. So this I have not covered. But thing is, I have covered the theory part where array processor and parallel processing. Parallel processing. You can see here. Already shooted this video. 5th unit important questions, right? And here somewhere cache coherence is the topic, direct topic. But asked questions in previous question paper is cache coherence problem, right? I already shooted the video. Similarly, now I am preparing 4th unit. First unit already shooted. This is 4th unit. In 4th unit also, priority interrupt I have shooted. But in previous question paper, he is asking Desi. He may be scientist name. Desi chain priority interrupt. Desi means serial. General priority means which I have given, that is parallel. I will tell you in my next videos, which I have not covered in next units. I will give you important question, essay marks and short marks question, which I have not covered, that I will give you the videos again, right? In short marks questions also, asynchronous communication interface. This is subtopic, asynchronous communication interface, and we have directly topic asynchronous data transfer. Synchronous, asynchronous will be there. I will give you in my next videos. This is just overview of the question. So the strategy more than plan is, so prepare from every units 5 to 10 questions, essay marks questions, and 5 to 10 short marks questions. Then 5 units every 5 units. B.Tech students have 5 units for every subject. So if you imagine 10 questions, 10 into 5, 50 essay marks questions and 50 short marks questions. Some units, for example, in 5th unit I have prepared, I got only 7 because less syllabus is there. In the first unit, it is very big unit. There you will get 13 or 14, 15 questions. So on an average, we will get 50 essay marks question, and on an average 50 short marks question. The strategy plan is, watch till the end. In between I will tell you some tips and tricks. So first, what you have to do, even though you are a clever student also, go with this only. After preparing this, tick 5 questions only. If you have prepared already, it's well and good. Tick those 5 questions. Then jump into essay marks question. Forget about short marks questions presently. First unit, 5 essay marks question. Then jump into second unit, 5 essay marks question. Then third unit, 5 essay marks question. Fourth unit, 5 essay marks question. Fifth unit, 5 essay marks questions. So which I have not covered from my side, I will shoot videos till exam date is not there. So I will shoot some of the videos which I have not covered. But what you have to do is, I will give you important questions also. So 5, 25. 5 are 25 essay marks questions you will cover. So one part is over, one layer. Imagine one layer is over. Next, coming to short marks question. Every unit tick 5 short marks question. Next, jump into second unit, short marks question. This is one strategy, one plan. And third unit, fourth unit, fifth unit. So 5 units, 5 short marks question, 25 short marks questions, small marks questions. You will get part A 2 or 3 marks questions, 25. Part B 15 marks question, 15, 50 plus 25, 75, right? For R22, previous video is about R22 mainly. This is our regulation 18 student. 50 marks essay marks questions, 25 short marks questions. So 25, essay marks question you have covered 25, short marks question you have covered 25. So one layer, one part is over. Now again coming to first unit, again cover 3 essay marks question. Then second unit 3, third unit 3, fourth unit 3, fifth unit 3. Like that 8, complete 8. 8 5 is 40. Now you have covered 40. Again short marks question, same. You have covered 5 questions, short marks question. Next second layer, cover 3 extra. If you already covered, already prepared, that's good for you. You already ticked it. Again prepare 5 short marks question. Like that 8. 8 5 is 40 short marks question. 40 essay marks question, 40 short marks question. If you are clever, so up to this you are above first class. You will get above first class marks easily, above first class. Not only pass, above first class. And question paper fear also will gone, and exam fear also will gone. By seeing the question paper, you will get that all questions you will know it priorly. Then if you have more interest, if you want to get more marks, then cover remaining two questions from each unit, so that 10 essay marks questions and 10 short marks question average will cover. So 50 essay marks question, 50 short marks question. Then you will guaranteely get more than first class. So I am expecting more than 70 marks, above 75 marks, right? So it will be good for you to prepare like this. So my tips are, if you don't get any question, important question, you see previous question papers and go according to that, and use 2 black pens, 2 blue pens, side heading write neatly, and draw the diagram and the practice diagram. Listen with earphones my videos, and use rough pen and pen, rough notes and pen, note the points. If diagram comes, pause the video, write the diagram 2 or 3 times, draw the diagram, practice in rough notes. If you get any doubt, feel free to call me. My number is, I will give you in my description box, right? All video links also I will give you in my description box. So don't worry, don't fear about tension, feel free. If you feel free, you will be getting good marks, right? All the best for your exams.